Lumawit yung haba ng steerer tube nung nag-slam ako ng stem. Tapos, nung nag-upgrade na ako to much longer 90mm stem, pinili ko pa rin hindi putulin yung steerer tube. Pero today sa day, natatabasin ko na yung sobra na steerer tube. Si Idol Raymond Dinglasa nga pala, yung specialista na nalipitan ko para operahan si Merida. Kapag nasa kamay ni Raymond ang bike nyo, sleep well dahil you're in good hands. Very competent, service-oriented, mapagkakatiwalaan, at humble itong si Idol Raymond. First time na magpapakat ako ng steerer tube. Sa unang Merida ko, hindi ko rin pinakat yung steerer tube nun eh. Kakabahan ako kapag hindi ko kilala yung gagawa ng pagputol ng steerer tube ng bike ko. Pero at the moment, relax lang ako kasi si Raymond ang gumagawa nito. Natagalan lang yung pagkat ng steerer tube ko kasi hindi pa ako fully committed sa slam stem setup. Kailangan ko pa ma-feel during multiple rides if para sa akin ba yung ganitong setup. After multiple outings sa slam stem setup, finally na-decide na ako na ipaputol ng excess steerer tube. The reasons ko for the slam stem setup is number 1, for the aero gains of course. Para feeling mabilis, di ba? And for the looks also. Dahil ang bike na naka-slam stem looks fast kahit na nakaparada lang. Also to force me to be always fit to ride in this setup. And to be that, kailangan pa niya akong nag-ride. And lastly, gusto ko magbigay ng pain or sakit sa mga makakakita ng stem setup ko. Alam niyo yung makita lang nila yung slam stem ng bike ko, nasasaktan na sila just by looking at it. Priceless yun. Finally, nakat na. Tara, tingnan natin. Ayos. Konting kembot na lang at makikita ko na yung bagong itsura ng stem setup ko. Yung top cap cover na ginamit ko is yung GUB638. Sakto ito para sa akin. May GoPro mount kasi ito na built-in na sa cover na monopiece. Dito ko na ikakabit yung GoPro during rides. So, hindi ko na kailangan gumamit ng additional mounts. Less bagay na ikakabit at iisipin every time mag-ride ako. Plus, it looks good guys. Very presentable itong tignan. And I'm excited for this addition sa bike setup ko. So, some more final tinkering from Raymond. Just ensuring that the handlebars are aligned. And now, the torque wrench to finish the job. Panalo talaga guys. At tapos na tayo. Hello there you. Very nice. This is exactly the setup that I wanted. Finally, nagawa ko na rin. Fully committed now with the slam stem setup. Kakaibang experience makita mong pinuputol yung steerer tube. I think every biker should try that. Salamat kay Raymond Dinglasa from AC Bike Shop for a good job in this project. AC Bike Shop nga pala guys is located sa Tetoron Highway dito sa Zamboanga City. Both si Raymond at si AC Bike Shop ay nasa Facebook po, so you can check them out. Phew! What do you think about this setup guys? Comment nyo naman no. I want to know your opinions and reactions on this. Okay? And that is it guys, it's a wrap. So kita-kits sa ruta at ride safe mga kapadyak. May 20 out!